upbeat music plays. Logo animation for Buy Smart appears on screen. Welcome back to the channel where we turn your impulse buys into smart choices. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops, because who doesn't love a little steam action with their cleaning? It's like a spa day for your floors. In the left corner, we have the H2O Mop X5, a 5-in-1 steam mop that promises to steam clean your entire home, from floors to windows. And in the right corner, we have the Shark S7000AMZ, the scrubbing and sanitizing powerhouse that claims to give your floors a workout without breaking a sweat. Let's see which of these steam machines comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the price. Both the H2O Mop X5 and the Shark S7000AMZ are priced at $169. Reviewers on Amazon mention that for this price, you want more than just a mop. You want a cleaning partner that won't ghost you after a week. Now let's jump into functionality. The H2O Mop X5 is like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. It's a floor cleaner, a garment steamer, a grout cleaner, and a window cleaner. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, especially for deep cleaning and everyday use. However, some have noted issues with quality, particularly with attachments falling apart. On the flip side, the Shark S7000AMZ is all about that automatic scrubbing action, delivering over 150 scrubs per minute. Users rave about its effectiveness in removing tough stains, especially from pet messes. Next up, let's talk design and ease of use. The H2O Mop X5 is portable and can switch to handheld mode, making it user-friendly for various cleaning tasks. Many users find it particularly helpful for older individuals. However, some reviews mention that the plastic quality feels cheap. On the other hand, the Shark S7000AMZ has a sleek design that makes maneuvering a breeze. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and effectiveness, especially on hard floors, although a few have pointed out that it can be heavy. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty: stain removal power. The H2O Mop X5 can tackle tough stains on any surface, and many users have found it effective, especially for allergies, as it requires no chemicals. However, some have expressed concerns about its overall quality. In contrast, the Shark S7000AMZ is praised for its scrubbing feature, effectively handling tough stains like drool from pets. Reviewers have noted that it leaves floors looking brand new, making it a great option for pet owners. Overall, both steam mops have garnered positive feedback with some reservations. The H2O Mop X5 is appreciated for its versatility, but criticized for quality issues, while the Shark S7000AMZ is celebrated for its scrubbing power, but noted for its weight. Both products seem to meet the needs of their users in different ways. So who's the winner in this steam mop showdown? It really depends on what you need. If you want versatility and a multitasking cleaning partner, the H2O Mop X5 is your go-to. But if you want a machine that does the scrubbing for you and leaves your floors looking brand new, the Shark S7000AMZ is your best bet. Whichever you choose, just remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. With the right tools, it can be fun. So hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep buying smart.